Hello friends, so in this video I'll be showing you the test for bromide ions. So for that I have here potassium bromide. You can see it is a crystalline salt. So for the preliminary test we need to add it into a clean and dry test tube. Now to this we have to add concentrated sulfuric acid. So over here this I have concentrated sulfuric acid. On adding concentrated sulfuric acid, you can see that the solution becomes orangish in color and a gas is evolved. If you take a glass rod over the mouth of the test tube, you can see dense white fumes are evolved. This should not be confused with chloride because dense white fumes are evolved, but in that you can see that in the test tube light brown fumes. So to confirm that, we have to add a pinch of manganese dioxide. So over here I am adding a pinch of manganese dioxide. On heating, bromine vapors will be evolved. You can see that there is an evolution of reddish brown bromine vapor. This confirms bromide. You have to be careful because these fumes are very toxic. The second confirmatory test, we need soda extract. Take it in a test tube. Now we will acidify it with dilute nitric acid. Now to this acidified solution we will add silver nitrate solution. On adding silver nitrate solution, you can see that there is a formation of a curdy pale yellow PPT. You can also compare it with the color of the wall. The wall is completely white, but the precipitate is pale yellow in color. This precipitate dissolves on adding excess ammonium hydroxide. Bromide confirmed. Now the third confirmatory test is the organic layer test. For that we need soda extract acidified with dilute hydrochloric acid. Since I am using concentrated, I am just adding 1 or 2 drops. Now we need to add chloroform. This is chloroform, and now with the help of a dropper, I have added chloroform. You can see that it forms a layer at the bottom of the solution, since chloroform is denser than water. Now to this we need to add chlorine water. To prepare chlorine water, we take potassium permanganate solution into a test tube. To this we need to add concentrated hydrochloric acid. On adding concentrated hydrochloric acid, you can see that color of potassium permanganate is getting lighter. Now our chlorine water is ready. Add few drops of chlorine water into this solution. You can see that the solution is now yellow in color. Just place your thumb at the mouth of the test tube and give this a vigorous shake. You can see that the organic layer has attained a orangish color. This confirms bromide. Let's add some more chlorine water into it. Now the color is darkened. The color of the organic layer is now more orange than before. This is because chlorine water oxidizes the bromide ions into elemental bromine, which is more soluble in the organic layer than aqueous layer. So on shaking, bromine gets into the organic layer and gives chloroform this nice orangish color. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I would like to thank Aga for financial support, due to which I am able to create videos which require costly glass equipment like condenser joints, flasks, etc. If you want me to try advanced synthesis such as Grignard reaction, which involve hot plates with magnetic stirrer, three-neck flask, different chemicals, etc., you can support me financially through Patreon and PayPal. Links are given in description.